ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MLA jok umusning constituency Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh hakar pun dai tarik unai luar araja Plie ula play ba ya ke e-learning center bat kumjuru ya ke Turmeric processing unit hapo kasnong kerem kulai Ribhoi district lingba ka jingsim kya jong ke HDFC bat ke Society for Action on Community Health kumban penpau hang ni ya kini ke e-learning center bat ke Turmeric processing unit la pentre kam ke Society for Action on Community Health lingba ke HRDP project bat balabai pisah dak HDFC bank. Hakini kesingi la sakilang da uba Rocky Marwen urang basnong kasnong kerdam kulai 1 kilometer uba pencngan well karnayor u branch manager ke HDFC Nongpok branch u Jayanta Mudoy ka assistant branch manager ka kong ibadahun Kharkongor ka president jaka village organization kerdam kulai 1 kilometer bat kentupru ki longkme bat ki reorang ba jong kasnong kerdam kulai.
Da ka basno sarong basno kemen ni Plie kan ke parda kum ka dak ka jing Plie kan ke kit bok kit riang kan ke center bakan long ka jing mentoi ya ki kun samla
but into health, women empowerment, everywhere. Like such is doing such a great work in the areas over here. I do not know about the other places, but we have witnessed this, and we will continue our support whatever we can, and that's it. Thank you. We'll keep on doing that, and thank you so much. And Mr. Benigopal sir has praised HDFC Bank so much, but it's not HDFC Bank is actually doing. Yes, we are supporting when it comes to financing or promoting things, but the ground level work is done by this particular NGO only. So please do support these organizations. They are doing whatever they can do with the support of the HDFC Bank as well as the other banks also. The proper commitment at the ground level is expected from each and every community member or the SHG group members, so that the ultimate goal of the purpose is being fulfilled. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Corporate social responsibility. Baro kini ki company ke behe naka jingi onong ga jongki R% kamut artengka naka sispa ki haban ai ban penroy ya ki snong ki thau di dan bok bahang ne ka de HDFC ke ba penlut pensep ikini ki jingdon kam baro leng ba ka NGO Society for Action on Community Health. Ti ngadap da kajing dokumen banyang hang ne kawai kalong niyo kata ka e-learning center bat ka baar ka turmeric processing unit mo ngam natip hadu kat noton kami ka senrai nang ni tehan rekat ka bami mentangim dan kamsyu ban ya kuslai hangno ban lek tiliat mo na ka benta kitu ki barab ki bala man penmi sau pausan pau kilo senrai la se anda dep tiliat kalong gajing mentoy na marbale la da pidia u bompat tiliat kador kalong ngebatat andre andangi la tiliat kitin parengi ong kata ka value addition nalor baude usunrai pila pentiliat kador jung u kalanang kiu kata ka dai ka jing pen kiu ya kador ka jung u. The main goal is to bring that financial independence to every household. Lada man la ka long ying kila banyang halaki jong ki kjat haka kamai kaji kabamut omdon ro ubasyang makia dai num dai kikun kikti jongi kidon haki school kidon haki college lada man ka thliu ying ka yo ka kot kalong ka baskem ka sinong ka thau kalong ka baruspa tikata ka dai jing angnut jong ka sarkar jong ki group of per banwan ra ki jing kala hapok bisno kumu MLA ngatip ka e badai banle te hanrei ka fan sa ka kti jong MLA ro kalong ka bat si dana mo sibun ki e bangi dai banle ban train te lada ni kwa ba kan ka center kan ai jing hikai ki kun jungi klem ka jing sap e ngi dai bandon ka solar backup ka bala ban kit lut ye kine ki computer lem da gumta mi na dikir subuh mo kumo ngi ramak snong ki kena ki mi nang te kalai ka don mare poi hane kalai ka lip kaja lai kenta subuh te kapor ka sap e teto ngim dai ban yu i tang ye ka jing teko ngi kermen ba kalai kenang bahana ne khmat mo tela da ka teko kalai jero le se ngi ne thaulat kumno ban ai ka solar backup na ka bentai kini ki computers ki jongi